Hello and welcome dear students. We solve problems on the same method, that is variable separable form, from topic differential equations. Let us continue. Next, number 9. Solve dy by dx is equal to cos of x plus y. Now here we have to find solution of this differential equation. So we have to use here substitution. With the help of substitution, we put here x plus y equal to v. Then we differentiate. Derivative of x is 1 plus dy by dx is equal to dv by dx. From this we find value for dy by dx, that is dv by dx minus 1. Then we substitute this in given differential equation. Therefore the given differential equation becomes substitute for dy by dx, that is dv by dx minus 1 equal to cos x plus y means v. Then we separate the variables. Dv by dx equal to right side 1 plus cos v. Then separate variables. Dv divided by 1 plus cos v equal to dx. So variables are separated. Then integration dv divided by 1 plus cos v equal to integration dx. We know formula 1 plus cos v equal to formula is 2 cos square v divided by 2. Integration of dx is x, 1 by 2 constant outside, 1 upon cos square means sec square v by 2 into dv equal to x. So 1 by 2 integration of sec square v by 2 is tan v by 2 divided by coefficient of v by 2, that is 1 by 2 equal to x plus c, constant of integration 1 by 2 cancel, and we get tan v by 2 equal to x plus c. Finally we replace v by, we have taken v equal to x plus y, replace v by x plus y, and therefore we get tan x plus y divided by 2 equal to x plus c, and thus solution completed. Continue next problem. Solve x minus y whole square into dy by dx equal to a square. We put here x minus y equal to v. Then differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of x1 minus dy by dx is equal to dv by dx. From this find the value of dy by dx. So dy by dx is 1 minus dv by dx, and therefore the given differential equation becomes x minus y is v, so we get v square, value of dy by dx 1 minus dv by dx is equal to a square. Then we separate the variables. Therefore 1 minus dv by dx is equal to a square divided by v square, and therefore left side is 1 minus a square divided by v square equal to plus dv by dx. Take LCM. So v square minus a square divided by v square equal to dv by dx, and variables can be separated. Dx on left side, term containing v on right side, v square divided by v square minus a square into dv, and then integrating both sides. So integration v square divided by v square minus a square into dv. So by adjustment we can integrate. Take here minus a square plus a square divided by v square minus a square into dv. So integration, separate terms, v square minus a square cancel, we get 1 plus second term a square divided by v square minus a square into dv. Take integration separately. Integration of 1 dv plus second term a square constant outside, integration 1 divided by v square minus a square into dv, and therefore left side is integration of dx, its integration is x, integration of 1 dv is v plus a square constant. Apply here 6 formula, 1 divided by 2a log v minus a divided by v plus a plus c, constant of integration. Simplify this. equal to v plus 1a cancel here, so we get a divided by 2 log v minus a divided by v plus a plus c, and then replace v. We have taken v as x minus y. So we get x equal to v is x minus y plus a by 2 log x minus y minus a divided by x minus y plus a plus c. So here x is cancel, x minus x 0, so get 0 equal to minus y plus a by 2 log x minus y minus a divided by x minus y plus a plus c. Take minus y on left side, so we get y equal to a by 2 log in bracket x minus y minus a divided by x minus y plus a plus c, and hence solution completed. Continue next number. Solve x plus y dy by dx is equal to sec in bracket x square plus y square. Solution. We put here that bracket x square plus y square equal to v, differentiate with respect to x, so derivative 2x, derivative of y square 2y dy by dx equal to dv by dx. Then we separate the variables, therefore, or you can divide by 2 here, so it x plus y dy by dx, divide throughout by 2, so we get 1 by 2 into dv by dx. So here this left side nothing but left side of given differential equation, so substitute in given differential equation, and therefore the given differential equation becomes value for left side 1 by 2 into dv by dx, and right side is sec x square plus y square means v. And now separate the variables, dv divided by sec v, right side 2 dx, and then integrating. Integration dv divided by sec v to constant integration dx. 1 upon sec means cos v dv to integral dx. Integration of cos v is sin v to constant integration of dx x plus c, and then replace v by x square plus y square. So we get sin v means x square plus y square is equal to 2x plus c, and this is the required solution. Continue next problem. 12. Solve cos square x minus 2y is equal to 1 minus 2 dy by dx. We put here x minus 2y equal to v, differentiate with respect to x, that is 1 minus 2 dy by dx is equal to dv by dx, and see here 1 minus 2 dy by dx nothing but right side of given differential equation, so directly we can substitute, and therefore the given differential equation becomes left side cos square x minus 2y is v, and value for right side nothing but dv by dx. And separate the variables, take dx on left side, dv cos square v goes in denominator, then integration of dx, integration dv divided by cos square v, 1 upon cos square means sec square v dv, integration of dx is x, integration of sec square v is tan v plus c constant, and then replace v by its value x minus 2y. and therefore above equation becomes x equal to tan v means x minus 2y plus c, and thus solution completed. Okay, we stop here. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.